What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So in today's video, it's a Thrifting for Gold episode. We got our Goodwill right back there. We're gonna be going in, doing a little montage, trying to mix things up a bit. So let's hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna play this intro and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, if you're new to this channel, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting all the time, literally. So we've been documenting it all on YouTube, making videos. It's what we love to do. We found our passion through it. So today we're at our Goodwill. We come here on Saturdays. Our Goodwill does dollar tags for all the clothing. They mark them down. So that's where we do mainly all of our sourcing. So we're gonna go in right now and see what they got. Okay, so we just walked in the store, and what is your name?
Larry Lewandowski. I'm the time pal.
Nice to meet you.
On eBay.
Yeah.
I've been there since 1998.
So he actually just said he watches our videos, so.
Well, I watch your videos all the time. I watch it from the start.
Yeah.
That's
Never,
so
never,
awesome.
you know, never too old to learn.
No,
Yeah.
not at all. That's
So
awesome.
We really appreciate
really
that.
Really good. Yeah, I watch it all the time.
That's so awesome.
Thank you.
Cool.
So this was actually the first thing that I found, this 48 Johnson sweatshirt. Pretty nice. We picked it up for only $1. This was another suit and jacket. We picked it up. It was a combo for $1. It looked really nice, very clean.
This was a women's Dickies puffer jacket. It was black, super nice, only $1, so.
All the zippers were there, why not?
This was actually a Notre Dame Fighting Irish jacket. We ended up deciding not to pick it up though, just because it was a little stained.
This was a Columbia sweatshirt. It was a size small. We tend to have good luck with these, so we'll always go with them for $1.
This was a Bagatelle skirt. I don't know, I looked it up. It had good comps and I thought it looked pretty cool.
This was a Bonjour hoodie. We were actually gonna get it, but when we were cashing out, I realized it was purple tag, so it was $6, not $1.
This is a pair of women's Express, like a jumpsuit velour pants. For $1, it's not bad.
This was a US Polo Assassin shirt, and I thought it was real in the store, so we picked it up, but Kristina gave me the confirmation that it's not real. So we picked that up for $1, might donate it. So this was a vest. We were actually going to buy this, but then we just decided not to.
Yeah, not worth it. These were a pair of Banana Republic jeans that I had found. It was the first thing that I found actually, so hopefully they go well.
This was a nice sweatshirt that I found, really clean looking and everything, but I couldn't find the brand and just didn't feel like picking it up. It was $1, but not worth it.
This is actually for me, so on to the next.
This was actually a really nice Jeff Gordon sweatshirt that I found, but they wanted $6 for it. It wasn't a dollar tag, so maybe if it's there on purple tag, we'll get it, but not today.
These were actually for me also, so.
Oh my goodness. Someone shops for themselves. This was a really nice Nautica sweatshirt that I found, Nautica Jeans Co., but they didn't have a price tag on it, so I didn't feel like asking, so we actually didn't go with it. Okay guys, so we just cashed out. How much did we spend?
$11.
11 bucks on all these clothing. So we showed you a couple things that we didn't buy actually because they either were too expensive or we just didn't know the price or we didn't know what brand it was. So that was pretty much our video. We're gonna hop in the car and wrap this up. Okay, so now that we're in the car, we're actually gonna just wrap up this video. We're gonna go home. Kristina's gonna list all of this. I'm gonna start editing this video. Before we do end this video though, we wanna give a big shout out to Larry. That was so awesome to him to actually notice us in the thrift store. It was so cool. Big shout out to him. So that was our video. That was our Thrifting for Gold. That was our daily vlog. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or if you like this style of Thrifting for Gold, because we're trying to switch them up, see which ones works better for us and which ones you guys like the most. So have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Peace.
Hey, Fin Man. You wanna go to the post office? Yeah. Oops. It's not on tight enough. Alright. Fin Man. Martin has no idea that we're taking the camera with us, but we're gonna go take the Joby and the camera and we're gonna go run to the post office to drop off our packages. It's Saturday, so I gotta get there before 3 o'clock, so wish me luck. Fin Man's super excited to go on the car ride. Yes. It's not gonna focus. We gotta go on a car ride today because post office close is... Fin, gotta stop moving your head. Alright, Fin Man. Are you ready? Are you ready to go on a car ride? Yes, I hope so. We gotta go on a car ride today because post office closes in 30 minutes and we gotta get there before the USPS truck gets there because it's Saturday. And we need to go take our packages to the post office. So, wish us luck. Alright. So, like I said, we're taking the car, but I'm going to put his harness on him because I'm going to take him in with me so I don't have to leave him in the 9 car. He's so excited. Bless you. Alright, buddies. Good boy. I'll be right there. He's moving over to my seat. Yeah, scooch. Ah, so embarrassing. You guys can see I need to change my oil. Alright, so now that we're in the car, we're gonna go head to the post office. Hopefully we don't roast to death. I should turn it down. Hopefully we don't roast to death because it is like 6,000 degrees outside, but yeah. So we just pulled up to the post office. I actually was thinking while I was driving, I don't even think the USPS truck comes today, the mail truck, so who knows if they'll actually get out today or not, but we sent them into the post office, so that's all that matters. Finn's dying to get out right now, and I am dying hot, so I'm gonna go take him in, and then we're going home. Alrighty, so we just got back home from the post office. Martin is doing his side work right now. I am going to get into some listing and finish some laundry, and then who knows where the rest of this video will go, but we'll see you later, guys. Finman, you want a good treat? You want a good treat? Alright, let's go get a good treat. Alright, hold on. Alright, man, come on. Let's go get a good treat. Yeah. Buddies, you walked for like 3 seconds. Yeah. Ah. All right. Cabinet full of treats. Finn only wants his good nutritional ones. Focus, focus. His good nutritional treats. He's got one left in this one. All right. Sit. Hey, sit, paw. Finn, give me a paw. No, paw. Finnegan, paw. Hey, paw. Give me your paw. Finn, paw. Finnegan, paw. Finn, sit. Paw. Come on, give me your paw. Come on. Come on. No. Alright, no. Stay. Hey. Hey, paw. Finnegan, paw. Finnegan, give me your paw. Come on, paw. Finn, give me your paw. Hey. Sit. Stop it. Sit. Paw. Finnegan. Paw. Hey. Paw. Give me your paw. Ah, I dropped it. Well, obviously you suck at giving paw, but whatever. There was your good treat. So bad, Finnegans. Now you just want more. Stop it. Alright. So, maybe one day. Oh my gosh, she's so bad. Alright. And we are ending it here. Say goodbye, Finn.